All right, here we go in the garage with my last items left from that $40 haul: the bookcase, the dresser, and the two end tables. I'm gonna paint these items. Now, that dresser and that mirror was also a part of the haul, but those has already sold. I got a guy coming to pick that dresser up. He paid $75 for it. I got a lady coming to pick that mirror up. Remember, I painted that mirror. I show you the pictures of me painting it. She paid $30 for it, as well as it was another mirror like that sold for $30. Now, the thing is, when you look for these items, you want to make sure that they're structurally sound. There's no damage. All the drawers are solid, work good, has all the hardware. If it has any doors like this one has, make sure it has make sure everything works. Because you don't want to, spend your time trying to repair and fix items. Now, if it's missing hardware, you can easily purchase some extra hardware, knobs, drawer pulls, or whatever, to add on there. But you want to make sure it's sound. Make sure the only thing it needs is a decent sand, a quick sanding, light sanding, just so, your painter has something good to adhere to. So that's what you want to look for. Like I say, make sure all the drawers work. Like this has different little paper. Some of them has that paper. I didn't even pull this paper out. So, yeah, drawer liner in it. You can leave that in there. I sold that for a quick flip. Now over here, these are the items you'll need to do a quick flip on a piece of furniture. Got my tape and razor blade, which actually I'm going to use over here, because I'm going to tape off this gold trim so that way I can paint around it. I don't want to paint that trim. It'll look real nice once I paint it with the that tinted glass on top of there. You'll need to dip your drill bit or screwdrivers to take off your hardware, plastic bag or a tray to put your hardware in. Things like this, a hammer, larger screwdriver. I'm going to use that to take that back off. So that way, when I paint, this white is not showing. I can paint completely around here, around this. Scissors to cut your sandpaper. I already talked about this. Your metal paint for your drawer pulls. Sanding block. Electric sander. I always get this one. The multi-grain one. I usually only use the two lower grains. Rubber gloves. You won't paint all over your hand. Of course, the stuff you're going to paint with. Extra stir sticks. Spare roller. Roller handles. Brushes. Your paint. Things to clean up with. And your tarp. Now, when you purchase your paint, make sure when you go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and each one of them I have a section, like a paint clearance section, where people have purchased paint, brought it back because it wasn't the color they like. And they have like a lot of the like quart size paint that's mixed already. Always take a look at that and see if it's a color you can use for one of your paint projects, because you can always get those for like $9-10 for an entire gallon. Now this one actually I paid for. It's brand new or what have you, but I've saved a tremendous amount of money by just going there looking. I like, okay, seeing if they had any clearance paint. So I'm gonna start getting these items prepped up. You know, I'll take some pictures and stuff like that. I'm gonna do this pretty much assembly style. Break everything down, take that back off, take all the hardware off, tape everything off, do my sanding, do my cleaning, and then paint everything all at once. So that way, I'm not, painting this item, then getting this prep, paint that one. I just do it assembly style. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Get you guys some more pictures, videos, and everything. Definitely show you the finished product. And once these things sell, I'll give you the finished the final cost of these.